Try this powerful natural remedy for stubborn cough and chest congestion. Take a betel leaf and trim the sides. Add a couple of pinches of Ajwain, 2 cloves, just the top part, and about half a teaspoon of honey. Fold it and place it in your mouth. Chew slowly and keep swallowing the juice. Do this for 7 to 8 days if mucus is stuck in your chest and the cough isn't going away. Betel leaf thins the phlegm, Ajwain helps clear it out, and honey works to remove the root cause. Start today. Your lungs will thank you. Write the word "li" to get my guide. Ayurvedic home remedies for cough and congestion.